Hello everyone, this is Gabriel Spites coming to you with another unboxing. Have you been looking for a case for your iPad Pro 11-inch 2018 model or your 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2018 model? Have you been looking for a great case that will not break your iPhone when you drop it, so you don't have to spend all that money to get it repaired or fixed? Then look no further than the Zugu case. You're thinking, what? The Zugu case? Yes, the Zugu case. The greatest case in the whole wide world. That's what the reviews say. This is my first time ever getting it. Let's see the box. This is the Zugu case. It's for the 11-inch iPad Pro. That's the model I got, but they make it for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. It's for the 2018 model. It's the Zugu case. This is the box, and this is the back. And I got the dark purple version, if you could see that. There you go. And they make it for all different, they have different versions of this. They have a black, they have a dark blue, they have the dark purple like I have right here, and they have a dark red. So you can choose whatever color. When they first came out, they only had one color. They only had black. So this is the case. From what I did there, it feels nice. The box is a little heavy, the case is a little heavy, but not too heavy. And it's supposed to be very, very strong, so when you drop it, it's supposed to not break your iPad. And I hope that's what it claims. I hope that's truthful. And let's get into the unboxing, and let's see if this is worth your time, your effort to buy this product. Box that the Zugu case comes in. This is the front. This is the back. That's the color I got. There's the website if you guys want to buy it. And then there it is right there. It's this nice printed box. Let's get into the inside and see what the case is all about. So here's the box. Let's open it. Okay. There we go. Let's throw that down. Let's open this beautiful paper that they give you on the box. So this is the case. This is the Zugu case. And here's their logo right here. And here is the little grooves that you put the stand in. And they're magnetized because there's magnets in it. And this is a dark purple. It's kind of like leather, but it's not real leather. And then all the way around here, these are this is black rubber. And then when you hold it up like this, this is where you put your pencil, and it will charge your pencil while it's hooked on right there. These are the volume up and down controls right here. And then when we look at the top, this is the on and off switch. There's some cutouts for the speakers and microphones. And then we go to the bottom. There's cutouts for these speakers. And there's the lightning port right here, a cutout for that. And then if we go to the back right here, this is a slot where you can put your pencil if you don't want to keep charging it. And then this is the stand that you can pull up. It's a little hard, see that? Because it's all magnetized, so it takes a little while right there. And then these are just cutouts right here for ventilation. And there's the cutout place for your camera. It's kind of raised up a little bit so your camera doesn't get hit. And so when you set this down on the ground, it's kind of up a little bit. There you go. And the buttons are really clicky. And then the top button's really clicky. And then let's do it this way. And then when you open it, like when you open this lid right here, and then you unfold it like this, you can put it down right here. And then you can pop this part right here, and you can put it on any stand you want, any part you want, right like this, and it won't come loose. And so then you can lift up like this. See, it's very strong. You can push it and it won't fall apart. And then it has different angles boom, boom, boom. Yep, like that. There you go. So, and then you can pull it off and put that right there. And you can do like this. And so, this is the Zugu case for the iPad Pro 11-inch 2018 model. They make it for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So if you want this, I'll put a link below. So you can also take your iPad case with your iPad in it, and you can hook it to a fridge on the sides, because there's magnets in the fridge and there's magnets in this case, and it'll hold the iPad down, and then you can turn it on and you can do what you need to